Hello everyone, hope you're fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can fix your sound and speaker problem in POCO M5. So if you're facing any problem related to sound and speaker in POCO M5, you can fix it by following the few steps and tricks which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you're the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix any problem related to sound and speakers in your device POCO M5.